What's up, Fade Gang? So today we're going to learn how to do an eyebrow design. It's going to be a slash and it's going to be slightly faded to the side. On my model today, my friend Eric. So what's up, Eric?
What's up, fam?
So the key to eyebrow designs is to find a model that has super thick hair like him, because if you do it with someone that has thin hair, the design is not going to pop. So you need the hair to be as thick as possible. So usually I start off by shaving down the eyebrow with a smaller number, but since this design is going to be a little bit more simple, we're going to start off by placing the line a little bit slanted in the middle of the eyebrow. That way it gives us space to do the fade this way. If you do it too much on the side, you won't have enough space, so let's try to do it around this area right here. To get a little bit more detailed, try to pull the skin. That way you can get all those little hairs and make that line super straight. Now we're going to put a little bit of shaving gel. That way we can trace that line with the straight razor and make it look extra sharp. Make sure you pull the skin. That way you can get a smoother shave. Now we pull it the opposite way. That way we shave against the grain and get it nice and bold. Okay, so next, what we're gonna do, now that we placed our line, we're gonna fade this piece of the eyebrow this way. And we're gonna start off by opening the lever all the way and making our first guideline. So what we're doing is we're literally using the last 3 teeth, and we're using the corner to get that step nice and even. And this piece, the last piece of the eyebrow, make sure you leave it dark. That way we can get a nice contrast. What's up, fam? So this is the finished product. Come take a closer look. I call it the dot scratch fade. Let me know what you guys think. Put your thoughts in the comments and let me know what you guys want to see next. Awesome. Damn, brother.